Guys, this product is amazing. As you can see, this is coconut oil, all natural. All you have to do, you open the top and pour it to your scalp, pour it and massage it. You don't have to do much. See, easy. You don't need a brush, you don't need a comb. All you have to do, pour it to the hair and massage it. And the good thing about this oil, you can use it for your face, you can use it for your skin, you can massage your whole body with it, all natural. You can also use it in your kids' hair. Okay, really good product. Go to the store and get yours now.